Grab the storage bag with the power cable, locate the hex key, and set it apart. Remove the black case. Followed by the lens cover. Connect the power cable to a power plug and switch on the device. Use the hex key to remove the screw on the upper part of the M case. Carefully remove the M case's lid and adjust the lens. Go to the settings page on your iOS device. Click on the MK360 tab and switch on the calibration feature. Access the MK app and click on the settings page followed by the calibration option. Then click on the warp grid button and hold your phone in a horizontal position. Click on the screen button. Adjust the grid to your preferences. We recommend users place the grid in the center of the room. Press Save, followed by the Activate button. Go back to the home page and click on the Settings button in the upper right corner. Switch on the blackout button and press Save. Search through the library of content, select one, and then the MK device will reproduce it. Enjoy the immersive experience.